Hello, my name is Jennifer Joyce and I'm from Port Colborne, Ontario. Today, or the last few weeks, I have been testing out the GermGuardian air sanitizer and deodorizer. What I really like about this component was it came out of the box, you took it out of the bag, bam, just like that. Plug her in and press the button and you're done. No assembly required. Love it. I never understand instructions. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but this is on the high level right now. If you press the button again, which is again what I like, very easy, it goes low. I really like the style. It fits in very well to our color conveniently enough. The blue lights are very nice, except I have to say at night when it is on high, the blue light down here is very bright and it was a little too bright for me to keep going in the room. But on low, I was okay. The smell of the house has been wonderful. I have two bigger dogs and they make a smell, especially around this time of year when it's wet. And I have to say, I can't smell them when I walk in the house anymore, which is kind of really nice. As for now, I can't say I have any complaints about this. We'll see about how long it lasts. I'm about to give it a clean to see what's inside. I've been using it about 2.5 weeks. And that's about it. Thank you so very much. Enjoy. Hello. My name is Jen. Yes, I would recommend this GermGuardian air sanitizer and room deodorizers, especially in these times of a pandemic where it says it kills bacteria, viruses, you name it, molds. It's wonderful. I feel much safer as I have a heart condition knowing that this is cleaning the air for me. Thank you.